Hey guys, it's Mick and Kath Feenan.
Hi guys, well prior to attending Conclave, we'd just lost our six-figure business in 2015 and were struggling at the time with a lot of financial stress. But with thanks to the teachings and the system that Mark provides and the support of the team, we've banked $1.3 million so far and has given us the time flexibility to create a lifestyle that really aligns with our highest values of family, freedom, travel and contribution and fun, having a lot of fun on the way. We are so grateful, honestly, to be blessed for the deals that are currently on the table that we're working on that will ridiculously expand the life that we love, as well as make the positive impact in the world that we want, that really lights us up.
And guys, if you're sitting on the fence about Conclave, I strongly urge you take the recommendation and look at your life and what you want to achieve. It's a great journey. It's been great being part of a team, and the thing is, you're chasing your dreams, so take the opportunity.